of secret society theories, there rises yet another conspiracy in the midst of our community. It's clandestine, covert, exclusive, hidden. You can feel it, but you can't see it, simply because you can't join it. You get chosen. The AM.CO.ZA Community VIP Member Card.
I have no idea why they've chosen me. I can only think it's because of my good looks.
I have supported the AM brand for many, many years. And I'm not gonna lie, they really have taken good care of me.
I can only think that one, I'm a customer, and two, I really believe in the AM products and I'm continuously promoting their value. I don't know.
The VIP Member Card, now available with the following benefits. Don't ask where you can get it. It will find you.